Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Zandi Khumalo and her big sister Kelly Khumalo have finally made peace after the many years of a public split and a feud on yesterday's episode of Kelly Khumalo's reality show Life with Kelly on Showmax. While the two sisters, together with their mother, went to their public therapist to iron their differences out and eventually forgave each other. Well, Zandi spoke to Showmax about their relationship with her sister, and this is what she had to say. I just did not know how to react. I think the thing that made me uneasy was the therapy part of things, she said. As tough as it was, she showed up and realized that her mother had been dreaming about this moment for a very long time. Zandi said that she did not really know what to expect and was open to anything happening. She told herself that whatever happens. Everyone would at least have had a chance to share their feelings towards each other. She said, whatever happens, we must have resolved everything by the time we have left the room. It has been a very heavy load to carry all this time. She further went on and said, I knew it would happen, but it was just a matter of time. I was just hoping that it happened sooner before my son notices what's going on. She believes that what was happening was unhealthy, and that's not how their mother raised them. One thing I know for sure is that at home we're not this kind of people who hold grudges for the longest time, and I got that from my mother. You can upset my mother now, but 2 minutes later, it's gone. We are over it, she said. Her only wish now is that for things to go back to how they used to be. She said, at this point, we are adults. We are not kids that we were yesterday. We need to consider things or how we speak towards one another. Now that's it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.